The Dartle Laser Keyboard embodies innovation and functionality, a testament to the brand's commitment to cutting-edge technology. Its sleek design seamlessly marries aesthetics with utility, making it an eye-catching addition to any workspace. The compact form factor enhances portability without compromising on typing comfort. In terms of performance, the Dartle Laser Keyboard excels. The laser projection system ensures accurate keystrokes, minimizing errors while typing. The tactile feedback simulation adds to the typing experience, creating a sensation akin to using a physical keyboard. The integrated touchpad further enhances convenience, eliminating the need for an external mouse. In conclusion, the Dartle Laser Keyboard offers a remarkable fusion of style and substance. Its forward-thinking design, coupled with exceptional performance, makes it a standout product in the market. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a professional on the go, this keyboard is a compelling choice that aligns aesthetics with functionality. Embrace the future of input devices with the Dartle Laser Keyboard. Best features of this item. The Dartle wireless laser keyboard is small and light. It connects without any wires. It shows a big keyboard on any flat surface, giving you a comfortable and familiar typing experience. Just connect it to your device using Bluetooth. The keys are nicely spaced and have a soft, rubbery feel, making typing comfortable even for long periods. It has a touchpad built in. Pros of this item. It's small and wireless, making it perfect for typing on the go. It can be used with Android and iOS phones and tablets, as well as laptops. The big keyboard projection gives you the same experience as using a regular keyboard. Anyone can do it. The responsive keys and touchpad make it faster and easier to use your device. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.